I'm assuming no.
Wednesday.
The next one's asking if you
Can you say eat?
anything in the past 12 months, and I'm assuming
Say
no
eat.
there.
Say eat. No, sit. Sit.
Okay, these are some quick
Wednesday.
questions. I'll read them off real quick, and you just
Wednesday.
correct me if I'm wrong.
Wednesday.
To the best of your knowledge and belief, have you in the past 10 years been treated
Look.
for or been diagnosed by any member of the
No,
medical
look.
profession as having diabetes,
Wednesday.
stroke, cancer, heart disease,
Wednesday.
schizophrenia, alcoholism,
Look.
or drug abuse?
Blow me a kiss. Wednesday.
You can understand English.
Blow a kiss.
Mwah.
You were doing it a minute ago. Blow a kiss. Look, blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Blow a kiss. Wednesday.
This is just asking some legal questions.
Blow a
that you've
kiss.
not been, trying to apply for
Wednesday. Wednesday.
If you want
Blow
to
me a
read through any of this
kiss.
stuff, I will.
Where's my kiss? Wednesday.
Okay.
Wednesday. Wednesday. Give me a kiss. Wednesday. Can you say bye-bye?
You good to move on, Selena?
Say bye-bye.
I wanted to make sure you had an opportunity to read that.
Say bye-bye. Wednesday.
Okay, this is asking
Your
you
hair's
the past
down in
10
your
years
face.
You've been treated for, consulted by a
Wednesday.
licensed healthcare professional, been diagnosed by a
Wednesday.
licensed healthcare provider as having
Wednesday.
angina, chest pain, or discomfort,
Wednesday.
heart attack, heart murmur, or any other heart
Wednesday.
disease, epilepsy, stroke, or diabetes,
Wednesday.
AIDS, or any AIDS-related disorder,
Wednesday.
any test results that are still
Wednesday.
remaining
Get
out,
your
any
feet.
brain, nervous, or mental disorder,
Get your
any
feet.
drug or alcohol addiction, or any kidney disorder,
Wednesday.
any kidney stones, any cancer, or
Look
other
here.
malignancy.
Let me kiss. Look. Mwah. Put your hand on your face. Let me kiss. Mwah.
I didn't know this one.
How come you're not going to blow me a kiss now?
Mwah.
Mwah.
My 79
No.
RSD in this spot.
No, you're fine. Oh, wait a minute. Yes.
You were doing it when you were in the pipe pen.
No, you don't need to do that.
No, you blow me a kiss.
Sorry. I just think of the one below. You're fine.
You little stinker. Sit down before you don't just stand up and fall. Wednesday. Wednesday. I'll get you. I'll get you. Can you say bye-bye? Yeah, bye-bye. No, you don't need to put on that shelf. What else can you say? Wednesday. Wednesday. Sit down. Where's my kiss? Wednesday. Wednesday. I had to sneeze. Can you sneeze? Uh-oh. Sit down. Can you sneeze? Say, achoo. Achoo. Do your little fake sneeze. No, sit down. Sit down. Say, achoo. 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 Do your fake cough. Do your fake sneeze. Achoo.
should be able to get out of that.
Achoo. Achoo. You're silly. You're silly.
I actually had a question on this. So we checked
You're
it.
silly.
She did not receive notification.
What you got? You got your wipes? You got your wipes?
And we'll do the top one here.
You got your wipes and the remote.
Okay.
You sneezing? Oh, that sounded like a real sneeze. But it was fake.
Next here.
So, Selena, question for you. How these spikes are going to be
Yeah. You're good at fake sneezes and fake coughs.
What are your thoughts on
Let's hear your fake cough.
the other stuff starting on the business side and inviting more people to workshop and
Are you a smart girl?
we do your affiliation and sometimes
Are you a smart girl?
some study material in your hands?
Are you a smart girl?
Because that's the one that's $100 and then $19 for the. I mean, it's nothing. $119 for that. Is that something that
What you doing?
you do like maybe towards the end of the week when you get paid?
What you doing? Where's my kiss? Let me kiss. No, sit down. You don't need to put on that shelf.
Or maybe like a week from now or something.
Let me a kiss. Wednesday.
Okay.
Wednesday.
So why don't we just plan on that
Wednesday.
one? Today's
Look.
Wednesday, so we'll just plan on doing it then, and then in the meantime, we'll just, Michael will get you
You're not going to blow me a
schedule and
kiss. Sit down.
do our trainings and get on this
You don't need to put it on that shelf. You don't need it up on the shelf. Sit down.
same time next week, at 7 that you can invite people to. And, we can start
Give me a kiss.
get your
Mwah.
team built
Mwah.
and some clients lined
Me
up for
kiss.
you. And, you'll be making some extra money.
You're not going to do that. Okay. Say bye-bye.
So, speaking of that,
Okay.